Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. We are going to make cheese. Yes, we're going to make cheese because I love cheese, you love cheese, we all love cheese. So that's what we're going to make. No, there's never enough recipes for cheese, correct? Right, I know I'm right. And I'm going to make tapioca cheese or cassava or yuca, depends on where you live, or in Portuguese, mandioca or aipim or macaxeira. So there are like countless numbers, names, countless names. So we're gonna make it today. And easy, affordable. I think it's the easiest cheese that I've always made on this channel, for sure. This is very easy. Now, where can you buy the cassava or the tapioca? You can buy it on the frozen section of your supermarket. If you have a Latino community where you live, especially if you live in the big cities, you're going to find it. If you don't find it in the major supermarket, this one I found on Carrefour, I think, you can find on Latino shops, or you can buy in natura, which is like a with the peel and stuff, but it's a whole lot of trouble to peel it. The peel is really hard, and I couldn't find it, not even to show it to you. So I'm gonna put a picture of it for you guys to see it. So let's start with the recipe. I'm gonna stop talking because somebody on the comments are going to complain that I talk too much, and sometimes I do. All right, so first we're going to cook the cassava or the tapioca and in water and a little bit of salt, okay? Not too much, because you're going to add salt later, so be very careful with that. And you cook it frozen just as it is. You just drop it in the water and cook it until it's soft. It depends on the quality of your cassava. It will take longer or less time, but it's something between 10 and 15 minutes. Now, you have a choice to make here because I always give you options. You can blend it either with an unsweetened plant-based milk. Mark this, like very, very big capital letters. Unsweetened plant-based milk. My favorite is always soya, because of the taste is more neutral, because it has more protein, and because the brand that I buy, I am sure that it doesn't have any either sugar or vanilla essence or anything, because it's nasty. We don't need that. I annoy those companies so much because I send them countless emails questioning and giving suggestions to stop adding this to the milk. But back to the point, you can either add that unsweetened plant-based milk or the cooking water from the that you use to cook the cassava in. So I prefer to use the soy milk or the plant-based milk because it gives more body to the cheese, and then you don't feel so much the cassava taste because it balances everything out, you know. But it's equally delicious. Sometimes I do this way, sometimes I do that way. So it's your choice. Now, I have a tip for you. Blend it for a long time, because these cassava in Brazil, I know for sure that they use it to make cheese because it has a melting properties. Hello, sour starch. Remember, we use so many times on the channel. And I'm gonna leave some recipes making cheese using sour starch. and then I explain everything about it. But this is what it's made of. But it's the sour starch, it's fermented. So that's why they use it, because it's really elastic and gives this cheese pool to the vegan cheese. Is brilliant. So blend it for, I don't know, 2, 3, maybe 5 minutes. So you will it will develop that stretchiness. All my babies are here now. They're gonna start making a noise. This is because they're hungry. So if you hear something on the background, they're playing around because they want attention. They want food. Just like we are, right? Aren't we all like that? This is it for today, my lovelies. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you make it, you know what to do. What are you supposed to do? Correct. You're going to tag me on Facebook and Instagram. And then you're going to follow me on my social media. Check my website for the measurements and the printable recipe. And give me a thumbs up because your chef deserves it. Don't die. And I'll see you next time. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.